Hello, my name is David, and I'm a musician.
In Prague, the sky is gray now. In Serbia.
This is an episode of Not-Filmmakers teaching filmmaking, coming to you from Prague. In this episode, you will learn about the swish cut. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do this. We're going to teach you how to do a swish cut. You switched it. Swish cut. Swish cut. A swish cut. A swish cut. A swish cut. Now to do a swish cut, you move your camera like this. See how we did that? And you make the cut here. Do that, and you'll be a swish. It's that easy.
Thanks for watching the video. Please check out David's work. He's on SoundCloud. I'll put a link in the description. Yeah, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Leave a comment with any ideas that you want to see turned into videos like this. And
first example I saw of this technique was Jesse Driftwood on Instagram. He does like really killer cinematic Instagram stories. You should check him out for sure.
I'm gonna try to be posting videos on a regular basis. So tell your friends and shit, I don't know.
It's that easy.